Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare one simple recipe with brinjal, or we call it begun. It's very common and very popular in Bengali cuisine because we Bengalis we need some fried things with our dal, with lentil. So generally we make begun bhaja or beguni. But today I am not going to do any deep fry thing. It's a very healthy option. You can cook brinjal. So let me start preparing this brinjal recipe. To prepare this recipe, I need brinjal, I need chopped tomato, fresh chopped coriander leaves, soya granules, chopped onion, chopped green chili, finely chopped garlic, salt, turmeric powder, black pepper, oil, cheese, breadcrumbs, first, I'll cut the brinjal in lengthwise. I'll make it half. Same way, I'll cut all the brinjals now. Now I'll brush oil in both the sides of the brinjal. Sprinkle some salt and sprinkle some black pepper. Same way, I'll brush oil in all the brinjals and sprinkle salt and black pepper. It's ready now. Now I'll bake these brinjals in 150 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. It may take little bit more time, depends on the thickness of the brinjal. By the time brinjal is ready, let me prepare the stuffing. Here I soaked these soya granules in warm water. In a pan, I took 2 tablespoons of oil. Soak the soya granules for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the oil is hot enough, add chopped onion and fry it in medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes till it changes the color. Now the onion is medium fried. Now I'll add chopped garlic and chopped green chili. This chopped garlic and green chili adds nice flavor here. Now drain the water and add soya granules in the karai. Add salt as per your taste and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and fry it in medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'll add 1 finely chopped tomato and mix it nicely with this soya granules. The stuffing is ready now. Now the brinjal is also cooked properly. With the help of a knife, I'll make a pocket in the middle and put the stuffing there. Gently put the stuffing in the pocket. Sprinkle some cheese on top of this stuffing and the brinjal. To get the crunchy texture, I'll add some breadcrumbs on top of the cheese. You can make without cheese as well. Here I made 2 without cheese. Bake it for another 7 to 8 minutes in 150 degree temperature. My healthy baked brinjal is ready now. So my cooking is over. You can cook this brinjal with a healthy option like I did it with the soya granules. It's not too difficult to make. It is healthy option and is easy and simple and is yummy as well. So enjoy this brinjal with your favorite salad. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. More healthy recipes will come to my channel, so keep watching and please press the bell icon. So thanks for watching. See you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.